Hey y'all, welcome back to Raven Camille TV. Today we are doing my infamous wash and go. It is primarily the main style I style my hair with. Starting off with freshly washed hair. I use the Redken All Soft. As you can see, I'm struggling with that conditioner bottle because it's all squoze up and bent. But that's what I use. And water is dripping all down my face. So the most important tip I can give y'all is to not towel dry your hair when you are doing your wash and goes. Literally leave it as wet as possible. Like, you want this hair dripping, soaking wet, so that it literally gets all this product in there and it just works. So I'm starting off with my hair all a little parted and separated. I'm gonna be making some crazy faces during this. It's so funny to me because this water was literally dripping in my face the entire video, and I did not realize how crazy I looked until I sat down to record it. And that's okay, because it's okay. But you know what? Y'all just keep on watching and see, okay? I'll be looking real crazy up in here, but that's okay. So I'm just going through with my Denman brush and detangling. I am really not the best at detangling. Sometimes I detangle, sometimes I don't. So I layer my gels. I use my Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Coil Sculpting Custard first. And then I take a big amount. It's got a really nice texture, really gooey, slick. You got to be careful because it will slide all about your head and never touch your hair if you're not careful. But I do the, what is it called? The raking method, when you just rake your fingers through it. I do shingle some parts, but I am primarily a raker. Then I layer it with the second gel, which is the Extreme Wetline Gel. I'm pretty sure I picked it up and showed y'all. I forgot at first. Yeah, there you go. The Extreme Wetline Gel with the dark blue cap. Because I know that there's like different kinds of gels. But I get them from Target for like $2.99. So that's it. Let me zoom in for y'all so y'all can see the texture, the curl. Look at it. Looking good. Hey. Okay. Okay. That looks so good. And that's just how I do it. That's literally the entire process. So I'm going to just shut up so that way y'all can just watch me do this. And yeah, enjoy it. It's kind of soothing to me. All right, I'm be quiet now for real. Bye.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Hold me till I scream forever, breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain until you
heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride the all night, working in the middle, sun. I wanna ride the all night, working in the middle, sun. I wanna so right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what's you, what we've been through, I miss you. And you my slumber, I wish I could call you up, miss how you'd put your love on me. Boy, you got my number, wish I could feel your touch, wish you could follow up on me. You never know when to chill, always talk about keep it real, only till you've had your fill, then you wanna cry ill will, really thought you knew the deal. Oh, well, I guess that's what happens. Two fools be falling in love, mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll fall love again. Yeah, yeah. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Trust in me, baby. I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call.
Alright, so I'm back. My hair is fully done. This is how it looks, just super wet, done, product already distributed throughout. I'm going in with my Revlon diffuser. Nothing fancy about it. That's it. That's about it. Just really simple. Put it on high. Oh, it didn't turn on. Maybe it wasn't plugged in. Oh, Graven, get it together. Girl, plug it in. Okay, there we go. It's turned on. So I put mine I put mine on high and high heat because this is a diffuser and my hair is not afraid of heat. It loves heat. It's not a problem for my curls or, you know, no need to put on any heat protectant. We are diffusing because you're using a diffused heat. It's not direct heat. So I do this for about an hour. Depending upon my time crunch, I may sit up under a hooded dryer for an hour. And then just also hit like the front part, like the part that's kind of like my bang, with the diffuser, to make sure that that is fully dry as well. But for eternity, I am just sitting here drying my scalp and scrolling through the internet. But that's it. Here we are an hour later. My hair is fully dry. I do not go in and fluff. I do not suggest that you go in and fluff and pick and give yourself any more volume until your hair is fully dry at the root, from the rooter to the tutor, okay? Fully dry, because if not, your curl pattern gonna be looking janky. You're gonna have helly frizz, and we don't want that. Not on day one, at least. So this is it. I'm not really big on having too much volume on day one. I like to see my hair grow over the course of the week. But she's picking. She's giving more of them faces. I'm going to have to work on that the next time I try to give y'all something. But I give myself as much volume as I want on the first day. Not too much. And she's cute. She likes it. zoom in for y'all so y'all can see this pattern a little bit closer. It's real cute though. The texture's popping. And this is literally my infamous wash and go. I do it all the time. Alright, y'all like it? I like it. I love it. It's cute. Alright, bye.